Birds chirping. It's a beautiful day in the neighborhood. A beautiful day in the neighborhood. Would you be mine? Could you be my subscriber? Alright, let me stop messing around. What's going on, E-World? What's happenings? Hope everybody good. Oh man. So, as you can see, we're about to get into it. But before we do, I just want to say a few things. And matter of fact, I'm going to make a little short video that I'm going to throw up here. And like I said, I promise this is the last time you're going to hear me mention it. Because I'm already sick of myself. Tell you the truth. I'm ready to get busy on some e-bike stuff. I'm tired of going over the same thing. However, it's very important that I do go over this because shut this door, I'm gonna get killed. Because I could be shooting my own self in the foot if people don't know how to subscribe to my Patreon. So I'm going to explain that one more time, quick, fast, in a hurry, and we gonna get busy. I've already mentioned, if you go to Patreon or open up the app and you put my name in the search, as of right now, I'm not going to show up because my account is brand new, and I found out from the Patreon folks that before your name is officially in the search field, they do a little bit of homework on you, check out your content, make sure you ain't posting no crazy stuff. So I don't think I'm gonna have too much of a problem with that, because I don't believe I'm posting no crazy stuff. But who knows? Maybe they might think I'm crazy. Anyway, you go to my YouTube, my main page, and you look up at the top of the page, and it's a few words across the top. I think videos, this, that, and the other thing. And on that same line, if you go look all the way to the right, you're going to see an about. Now, if you click on that about, it will open up another page. And on that page, you can't miss it. Right in the middle, there will be a link that says Patreon. All you got to do is click on that link. Click on that link, and that'll take you to my Patreon page, and you can figure out what type of member you want to be. Now, as I said in another video, I don't mind if you just become a basic $3 member. You don't have to do one of the bigger ones until maybe you actually need some one-on-one. The $3 membership will get you in there. You'll have access to the chat room where other fellow e-bikers will be, and you may be able to get the information you're looking for from one of the other guys. I want to build a DIY e-bike community, guys. And yes, of course, right now I can't even say it's small. It's hardly, it doesn't even really exist as of yet. You know what I mean? This is from the ground. I'm starting this thing from the ground up now. Uh, I don't think I'm asking a lot in the beginning with this $3 membership. Who knows? 6 months from now, maybe a year from now, I could be like LL Cool J and I could be jingling, baby. And by that time, you know, things may change. Who am I to say? I might have to raise the prices up. I don't want to do that, but who knows what the future holds? Because I intend to be giving out some very great content, and it's surely going to be worth well more than $3. So, you know, who's to say what the future holds? But if you get in early, like now, you get the El Cheapo rates. And I told you guys on the last video, I understand it's hard times right now. People, if you can't afford the $3, and I'm not trying to joke or tease anybody, I'm dead serious when I say some people might can't spare that. It is crunch time. The pandemic has people out of work. I get that. I understand that. I would assume for the most part, if you're messing with e-bikes, you're not too crunched, but maybe you are, and maybe that is why you're on the e-bike, because you're trying to save some gas money. Well, whatever. I don't want to, bore you to death with that. But like I said, if you can't afford the $3, message me, and I'll give you a free membership. And not only that, I know there's some people that don't even have a credit or a debit card. You know, some people are cash people. Some people just don't do that. And you know, if you're one of those people, message me too, and I'll give you a free membership, man. I'm not trying to kill nobody. Like I said, I'm not trying to make a million. I'm just trying to get a little help as I'm helping others. You know what I mean? Making these videos is some work. You know, it's a little bit of work. And like I said, I don't have to do this. I want to do it because I love e-bikes. I love this community. I think the prices that people are getting from the shops and these manufacturers selling e-bike stuff, I think they're outrageous. In fact, I think they're ridiculous. So I want to help put a stop to that. I want to help people, I want to stop these people from charging these inflated, crazy prices for e-bikes. Like e-bikes out there right now, and I ain't got to call no names. There's just a basic e-bike. They ain't even that powerful, but this year they even upped their prices. And, even though it's their flagship, $4,500 for an e-bike. And that e-bike don't even go over 35 miles per hour, I don't believe. But anyway, enough of that. There also will be a little clip at the end of this video to show you how to enter my Patreon from a mobile phone. Very easy to do. Now, if you go to my main page on a mobile phone and look up towards the top, you're not going to see the about. You have to scroll over. You know, right where those words are, right where it says video across the top, you have to slide it over a little bit because for some reason they didn't fit it all on that main screen, especially if you have your phone in portrait mode. One other thing people aren't aware of, some people aren't aware of, everybody's not tech savvy. So you go on my main page also, right there what I just mentioned where it says videos. If you click on that, that will open up all my videos. Guys, I have over 100 videos. And I just started my e-bike channel a little over a month ago. I might be in my 5th or 6th week. But I've been pumping out videos like crazy. So like I said, man, I'm not playing with this thing. I'm serious. Anyway, let's get to this. Another thing I'm going to mention, this is not the video for this modification. I wanted to get the Patreon thing straight. The video for this won't be up probably till Saturday or Sunday. Normally I put them up the same day because they aren't edited or anything. But I'm going to have to figure out, am I going to include all of this video for free on YouTube, or am I going to just put it on my Patreon account? Most likely, since I have already taken the cover off to take a look at what's going on, I figured you guys don't need me to show you how to take a cover off of your bike and access your controller. I thought the controller on this thing was up in here, but no, it's actually down there. And if you see that right there, that's kind of a bummer, because as I told you, this is an older e-bike. But when I see that, I'm a little disappointed, because I thought this was going to be more of a factory proprietary system, whereas though I get to show you guys how to figure out what wires are what, because on most factory e-bikes nothing's labeled. You got to figure out what the throttle is. You got to figure out what the pedal assist wires are. You got to figure out what all that stuff is. Nothing's labeled on a proprietary bike system. However, this looks like they're just using a regular controller, aftermarket controller, just like one of the ones that I'm going to put in here. So that being said, this ain't going to be that hard of a job. I mean, I gotta take the top off to really see what's happening. But I mean, this, looking at them connectors and stuff in there, man, this just looks like a easy plug up job. So it might not be a whole lot to this one. I really want to show more of a technical job. I got a Super 73 en route, and on that Super 73, that's one that I know a lot of people want to see. And their little proprietary controller systems and stuff, nobody knows what the hell is going on with that. At least, most people that don't know about this stuff. But I plan to take a deep dive in on that Super 73 and show you guys how to do what needs to be done to upgrade to a different controller, or convert that bike, or upgrade or modify it to 72 volts, whatever. I'm going to show that when that Super 73 arrives. So that is en route. So if you want to know what's coming in the future, that's coming up. Most likely after this one. Well, that one might be after this one. But the Super 73 is en route. All right, that's enough of that. Take it easy. Take care, fellas. Y'all know what it is. Deuces. You were watching one of my videos, like this video right here. You just touch on right there where it says crisscrossing wires in the middle, 244 subscribers. You just touch on that part right there, and that will take you to my main page automatically. Now, if you look up at the top where it says home, videos, playlists, channels, there's one more that you can't see. You have to scroll it over. See how I just scrolled it over? Now you see where it says about. You just touch on that about, and when you touch on the about, you see right in the middle links Patreon. Then you just touch on the Patreon, and that takes you automatically right there to the Patreon, and see where it says become a patron, and then you just follow the instructions from there.